So we went to an RV show in Charlotte, North Carolina this weekend, and we came home with this. This is a new concept. Somebody came up, they're the guys from Florida, and Kevin thought it was cool, so we bought it. I think they run about a little over $1,000. $1,200. It's 8 feet long. Of course, he had to buy the trolling motor. It came with the transom, right? Okay, it came with the transom. It came with 2 seats, but we opted not to get the seats because they're inflatable too, and I sat down in them and they're not comfortable. And the back piece is not very high at all. So we're going to use something else. We are getting ready to try it out. We're going to see how far we can go with the battery. What size battery do you have? Or got 5 amp hour? 35. We've got a 35 amp hour battery. The trolling motor's a 55 pound thrust. They got that. Where did they buy those? Where did you buy those? Oh, Cabela's. They bought those bought the trolling motor at Cabela's. I think it was $300. $309. I think it was $309. Anyway, we're going to try it today and see how far we can go with that battery. Kevin doesn't quite have it figured out what he's going to do. This is the first time we've had it in the water, so doesn't quite know what he's going to do. We're going to try it. We're in our boat. We're not going to go far from the boat just in case, because it's windy today and there's a current. So we're just going to see how long we can go. And then he may go back to the drawing board. You can put a small motor on it. And I don't know anything about the thickness. The floor is separate. It blows up and then goes in there. I believe it did come with a paddle. So a paddle, 2 seats, and each seat was 2 separate pieces. But like I said, those are not comfortable. Maybe if the back had been higher, it would have been better, but it just wouldn't be good for sitting for very long. So we'll let you know how it goes when we get in it. Yeah, it's greenfin.com. That's the Greenfin Outdoors. That's the website. They're from Florida. Okay. The bottom was hot. Of course, it's black. I hope we go a lot longer than 3.5 minutes. Would you say we're going about 3.5 miles per hour?
Yeah.
Making a little bit of a wake. Show you what I used in that little inflatable boat. This is the seat from my kayak, and Kevin just put pool noodles on the bottom for now, just because it's sitting on an inflatable boat. but that is the most comfortable kayak seat ever.